Hello friends, this is the first chapter on our lecture series. So in this chapter I'll give you a brief introduction of our software, that is Staad Pro. So here Staad stands for structure analysis and design, and Pro stands for the program. So Staad Pro is a software that does structural analysis and design of the civil engineering structures. So it can do structural analysis and design of a whole lot of civil engineering structures. So it can do buildings, so any kind of building it can do. It can do bridges and other structures, so steel warehouses. This software has been developed by Bentley. Originally it was created by somebody else and later it was bought by Bentley. Now it is under the ownership of the Bentley. So here in this lecture series I'll be using Staad Pro V8i Select Series 4, and you can use other versions as well, so they pretty much look similar. Once you open your program, you will land up here. So here you can see the first one is the project tags, from where you can open a new project or open an existing project, or you can change the configuration of your software. Also here on the right side you can find the recent files, and so I just did some of these buildings. Okay, if you hover over it, and you can see the preview of that structure over here, and over here you can see the license configuration. So from here you can see the help topics, where you can access certain help and user manual of this software, and here you can see the license configuration.